It was just another day when I was scrolling through my Twitter feed, casually procrastinating on my work when I saw this post by Larry, an AI tool for Web3. Now, even though we have never really made videos about ChatGPT on this channel, I've personally used it. And it was bad. Not only did I spend like 2 hours telling GPT that it was wrong, but also ended up writing the entire thing by myself in the end. Between hallucinations and just outdated info, it never really felt like ChatGPT was coming for my job, but maybe it's about to change. In this video, we are going to try out Web3 Copilot and see if it can assist me with my Web3 Dev work. But before we get into that, only a small fraction of people who watch our videos are actually subscribed. So if you aren't, consider subscribing. We are trying to get to 3,000 subs. And let's get into the video. Alright, so right off the bat, there's a quick tutorial for the interface. Let's go through that. We have 3 modes here. Let's check them out one by one. Let's try the beginner first. We can start off with one of the sample prompts. There is a sample prompt to mint ZK-EVM NFTs. I'm curious. Let's see if it sends one over and looks like it doesn't. There was also another sample prompt for faucet. Does this directly faucet testnet tokens to you? Let's try that out as well. Alright, so it doesn't, it just tells you how to get them, which in all fairness is still pretty cool for beginners where we are right now. Let's switch to advanced. Looks like it can give you some gas optimization tips. Let's see what they are and if you find any new ones here. Alright, so the answer is pretty generic. If you want to reduce gas, make sure to optimize, which is alright, I guess, just not something I was expecting from the advanced mode. There's a lot of polygon shilling involved, which is not bad, but there should have been some real tips involved. Let's make this tool write some code for us now. A staking contract with dynamic reward rate can be fun. Let's see if it can do that because ChatGPT really struggles hard there. Okay, first question. Why is it asking me token name, symbol and total supply? Makes no real sense here, which makes me doubt the code we are going to receive. But let's tell it that anyway. Let's fast forward to where this code is completely done. Alright, so I've gone through the code and it essentially creates a token and allows you to stake that token in the same contract and then mints further token to give out as reward. This isn't what we wanted, and besides this, the rate update doesn't preserve user accrued rewards either. So while I would say it didn't work out, it may also have been partially my fault for not prompting better, which I guess we can improve upon in future. We only have one credit left now, so I'd really like to try out the degen mode. From what I understand, it's good at explaining stuff. So let's ask it about synthetics protocol. Alright, this is the impressive part. I'm not sure about the whole pirate degen vibe going here, but the explanation itself is really good for a beginner learner just seeking to learn more about the protocols in this space. And with that, we are out of credits now, so let's give it a fair evaluation. For the beginner mode, I think everything panned out like I was expecting it to. You get step-by-step guides to do basic things, which is honestly what you want from it. With advanced mode, I was slightly disappointed by the answer given for gas optimization. With it being one of the sample prompts, I was expecting some real tips and tricks there, but there were none. Besides that, code generation was alright. It didn't produce what we needed it to, but overall it technically did the job. And after recording the main section, I noticed they give you this deploy button to let you directly deploy contracts from right here, which can be useful for simple token contracts, I guess. Degen mode fairly surprised me. Honestly, the best mode, and I'd personally use it to learn more about projects in this space, especially for the way it explains these concepts. So overall, I don't think this tool is ready to assist you in professional tasks, but you can for sure use it to learn and develop your own skills. That's it for this video. What other prompts would you like to see us try here, and are there any other tools that we should be trying out? Let us know in the comments. Consider subscribing and we'll see you next time.